Kadaw jong kajing khapngiah jong kasor Shillong kat nangmih ki sngi kalanang jur na kawei kapor sha kawei pat bat ban weng ye kajing khapngiah khamtam kajing dheng kali kaba jur bha nongbah Shillong na liang ka sorkar jylla mynta ka sngi ka arphusau tarik kyllalynkot plipaidbah tylli ki mawnongrim ban shna tylli ki surok thymmai New Shillong Township ha ka jinglut balakot palat shispa klur tingka Kitay ki mawnongrim baple kidey ban shna tylli ki surok Bakantup Iakren Surok na Lumshyiap Bellfonte New Shillong Township Unsawli Bribah Mawpat bat kawei pat banshna Surok ba Bribah Mawpat IAS Colony Unsawli bat labu ru mawnongrim ban penhe Surok Tulin Jong Surok Shillong Diengpasoh naka khatsau kilometer ka kwei point kilometer ya kitay ki mawnongrim plipaidbah ta menteri rangba ka jylla Ukonrat sangma ha ka jing lang usambut menteri rangba ba Prestone tensong bat kwei pat ki he sorkar ringkat ki MDC Jong ka KHADC
in Meghalaya. Government alone cannot do anything. The landowners, the headman, the committee of the shna, you are also directly linked as stakeholders. It will be just only a dream if you're expecting from the government side. But that can be made into reality if we work together. Yang terutama kuat ban ong hani. Nginyo iya kijing kerku ke bansawan. Habis ini hendak teli kisden ke bama. Only for this small inauguration function, laying foundation stone function, I calculated this about 130 crore plus investment is being made by the government. Bagi kwei di sorkar nantrai ketakit pelong amaran puluh. Bagi pelong ke function ke bahaya. Ngim Donkam. Action speaks louder. Donkam begini keren ya Surok. Action speaks louder. Katang kabangan baban kot, baban ong, bangin ya keren. Ya kani kecingnya kualti. Kin perkela ya kecela megala jogi khamtam ya kani New Township. Investment di bapun ba. Kapag sorkar belaskan. Sa hendak teli kisnen ya ka secretariat bagi office sorkar tarik will be shifted but mapi kinong lamstong hakite ki area kabalingkot pidei ke badon boktam hanne bok keselame kala jogi baka capital jogi benta ka state capital Omshu ha ul Shillong Henry Kandei Hante upon Shillong. So I'm so happy once again to be part of this.
Our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and the other officials that today is a very, very important day for all the citizens of especially the capital city of Shillong and adjoining areas, but overall for the state as a whole. In the last many years, we have been struggling, and we still are, with the congestion and the traffic issues and the overall growth that Shillong city has seen in the past many years. And hence, in order to be able to find a long-term solution to this, many efforts have been made in the past to work towards expanding the city and extending it so that we are able to decongest it. And while we years that we are for the first time seeing a planned and a focused approach to actually make this particular dream of decongesting Shillong into a reality. And why I say that, just so that I can explain, that today the presentation given by our Secretary Urban, he was mentioning about creating a better city so that better livable conditions are there. What is important to also note, it's not about just the new Shillong city or the new administrative city that needs to be better. We need to make the current existing Shillong better also. And therefore it is both. So while we create new infrastructure, new Shillong Township and new administrative city outside and away from the current Shillong city, what do we do to make Shillong city better also? And hence the decongestion that we do will allow us to not only have a new infrastructure outside, but will allow us to now improve Shillong city as we see it today. And while we're doing that, I hope that all of you must have seen also, and those who did not realize much in terms of the work, that in the last 5 years, the kind of projects that are going on in Shillong as we speak have actually never been done in the past. Large number of urban projects, and you will see as we start inaugurating one after another, you will realize what kind of transformation is actually taking place in Shillong city as we speak. Now when I say that, I'm not saying that we are resolving all the problems. Of course, there are many challenges. But the pace at which the transformation is starting, that pace has never been there in the past also. And you will also see many new projects that are going to come up. So for example, when I say that the administrative city is going to shift, our intention is to shift the entire administration, the secretariat, the departments, and bring them under one block.